Hello, this is Ben, and I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on some lighting for your screencasts. If you notice, I have some light coming through a window, and this is probably the best light that you'll be able to get. If you want to make sure you position yourself properly with the window. As you notice, the light is shining on my face, giving me a really clear image while I'm doing my recordings. However, if I was to turn around, now the window's behind me and I'm getting a lot more shadowing on my face, and this makes it a lot more difficult to make your recordings with some good lighting. So be aware of where your window lighting is in your recordings. I'm going to show you also some things about some artificial lighting that can also help you get the most out of the lighting in your videos. Thanks. Hello, I wanted to show you some challenging lighting situations. So I'm here in my basement and I have a really good wall behind me for recording. There's a pretty much a blank wall. However, I'm stuck in a corner. So I don't have a lot of great options. I have some overhead lighting and you can see there's a desk in the corner, but there's not a lot of great lighting options here like I would have if I had some windows and some natural light. So to compensate for that, I'm going to try to do as much as I can with the fill light. So I do have, as you can see, I had some overhead lights that were turned on. When those are off, it's a lot grainier and the camera's not going to be able to pick up a lot of my face very well. So I'm going to compensate for that a little bit by adding another lamp next to me to shine more directly on my face. So I'm going to turn on the overhead lights again. That gives me a little bit of fill light. Then I'm going to turn on the side lamp. It does cast some shadows, but it does give my face a lot more illumination, and so it's going to be a much clearer image in the video. So as you're building out your space, consider a lot of those factors. Where is your light source coming from? How are you going to be able to manage maybe some trickier lighting if it's not as bright? I just have this as a reading light that I just use, and it's sufficient. So it doesn't have to be crazy, but do consider some of the lighting in your videos can enhance a lot of the quality that you are making for your screencasts. Thank you and have a great afternoon.